fabulous Friday, April 3rd, 2020. I wanted to welcome you back to the end of the week. You guys have done a phenomenal job online. And today is pre-registration advising day, particularly an online registration for those students who are online totally. So that would be the grad students and any RN to BSN students we have. Starting on Monday. Monday is the first day of the week for registration. So for seniors who have enough credits, you can register on Monday. Tuesday is juniors. Wednesday is sophomores, and Thursday is freshmen. So if you have any questions, Kim and I are available all week next week to help you with registration. If you can't get into a course that you need, please email Kim Heath. Her email is heathk@husson.edu, and she's happy to help. If you can't reach Kim, you can certainly email me, and we'll make sure that that happens. For courses in other disciplines, you can reach out to the particular school. So science and humanities being one of the most common issues. You can certainly email us first. We'll see if we can figure it out on our end first, and then you can move forward. So for those in the undergraduate program, I would strongly suggest that you register for courses in the sciences first, if you have any of those to take, or any courses that you particularly must take or need to take, sign up for those first. In nursing, we have some flexibility of moving people around after registration, so do your best to register for what you're looking for. If there's a real conflict, just reach out to us. The last thing is on clinicals for the juniors and seniors. Just a reminder that make sure that you register for both the NU course and the NL course. Sophomores also. You need to make sure you take both of those sections. It'll just make things a lot smoother after registration if you do that registration for both. So I wish everybody a wonderful week. This week we had a lot of really good successes. I wanted to give a shout out to all the faculty for their hard work this week on getting data for me on clinicals for the seniors and the grad students. A shout out to my own classes in NU 100 and 211 and 212. You guys have been a rock star patient with me this past week. So I very much appreciate it. And to all our juniors and our grad students who are plowing through those courses, keep up the excellent work. It's showing, and I really appreciate it. As we go into next week, I wish everybody a great weekend. Take some time away from your computer, go for a walk, take care of yourself, and we'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. The cup of the day today is a mug that I got from my husband. And this one is a Starbucks mug that he got on a travel out west to Portland. And it's really a really nice heavy mug, and it's got a lot of depth for extra coffee. So may you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.